as to how to transition, it depends on the patient. My patients are dogs and cats. And so if I see a dog who's accustomed to being offered, say, table scraps, various different snacks of different sorts, and has consistent stool, then it won't be as necessary to do a gradual transition compared to a dog that already has some gastrointestinal problems. It varies based on the individual, but ultimately we want to pay attention to minimizing a sudden transition so that they have time to adapt to it and that they don't refuse the food entirely. For example, cats tend to be pickier eaters. So if they are just presented with a new food item that they've not seen before, they may just turn their nose up at it and not eat it. And then the food may go bad and then one has to start again. So adding in little bits of the new food, the vegan food with the animal-based food over the course of 10 days or so, adding in more and more of the vegan food can help the cat familiarize with the new food and then eventually, hopefully, adapt to it. And there may be some transitional rocky road of trying to get them to adapt to it. If they don't like the food, you can add in smoke flavored substances to make it flavorful for them, along with the nutritional yeast. You can warm up the food to bring out the aromas. You can also add in things like tofu and tamari, small amounts. There's a recipe from Dr. Pitcairn's Complete Guide to Natural Health that has tofu, nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of tamari, and the veggie cat. You can also use things like peas and carrots, pumpkin and squash to add in for cats to have enough fiber, because a lot of cats don't get sufficient fiber if they're eating a meat-based diet. Even if they're not going to be vegan, adding in at least some peas and carrots or pumpkin or squash can help provide fiber and phytonutrients to help them have healthier digestion in general. But if some cats may be prone to urinary problems, you might want to just do 50-50. If it's difficult to get a urinalysis on a regular basis, or at least twice a year, some cats, they're not going to take to the food, and then they're going to have to be more flexitarians. But whatever we can do to make that transition easier for them will make it more successful in the long run.
Thank you, Dr.